My wife is pretty freaking awesome. She pre-ordered this for me for my birthday about 3 months ago, and it finally got here today, a whole day early. And I'm so excited to open it up and see what's going on. I was a huge fan of the last high-res kit that I built, and I am so extremely stoked to get started on this. So I'll just get into it. I did crack it open already. I cut the tape, so I apologize for, oh, well, I guess I should let you see the box first, huh? Well, it sure looks good in the picture. But we got that. We got a little text on the sides with a repeat of the big image. And a repeat of the big image, but upside down. And then on the back, nice action poses, some frame shots. Everything you're capable of doing. A shot of the hands, the clear orange hands, which don't look terrible. Honestly, they don't look terrible. But the shoes, I was reading, have rubber on the feet to get a better grip for the action poses. I don't know. It looks cool anyways, right? So, alright. Now, let's open it. So what was the last one I built? The last high-res? Was it the... What was it? Stray Noir? Yeah. I am being told a Stray Noir. So, box is going away, and... Too excited. Stickers. Damn it. Okay, so stickers, clear pink stuff, red and green stuff, and stickers. Damn it, stickers. I hate stickers. Check that out. That's kind of cool. Ooh. Flexible. I like it. Alright, red, green, black, white. Very shiny. Very, very shiny. These look good, especially the white and red. That looks great. Yellow parts. Very shiny. That's a good yellow. And more white. More white. More white. And rubber toes. These are the rubber pieces for the sole of the feet, or I should say the, what is it called? The grip. The tread. There we go. The tread. Thank you. Can you tell I'm excited? Yeah, birthday present. Pretty cool birthday present. My wife really kicks ass. Alright, so a nice solid deep blue. That's a good color blue. hands and other, what is this? Like a midnight blue. This is not quite a black. It's like a really smoky midnight blue kind of color. That's the name of my first band, Midnight Smoky Blue. And we played ska. Oh, come on. Okay. The jewel. Get a close-up of that. I'll show you where that goes, but that's inside the, I think the cockpit opens up and that's inside, I think. Am I right? More of that smoky blue color. This is that really nice shiny molds that I feel like only Bandai can pull off. They're just so smooth. And I don't know. I mean, I guess if you're walking by it, it looks kind of cool, but just stationary, I don't know. How do you feel about that? Can you see the reflection, the reflective circles on the rainbow? Let me see. Does that help? Sorry, I was turning my camera so I could see. Yeah, you can see that. Yeah, you can see that. Okay, so that's, I mean, that's probably going to be cool, I think. All right. For the frame, doesn't feel like they used 6 rolls of tape on this time. So you have the effect parts, the hands. I was expecting to cut those out. I'm glad that there is no nub marks. These were individually molded, it looks like. Is that true? 1 gate? I don't know. Is that true? No. 2 gates. How could you do it with 1 gate? 2 gates. 1 there on the ball and 1 there at the base of the thumb. And those are pretty well hidden. So kudos to the engineers for figuring that out. The inner frame pops out in 1 piece, hopefully. Okay, it feels like it's not as heavy as the Astray. I like the golden copper effects on the back. That's nice. All the ab muscles. It looks better once all the other armor is on, but I'm not a huge fan of the way it looks just like that. He kind of looks, I don't know, a little dumpy. Dumpy the robot. So I think that jewel goes in there, I think. right away. We should be able to set one of these up without any issue. How much of an angle? How low can I go? How funky is your chicken? How loose is your... Alright, come on. I'm having a lot of trouble. I thought this was going to be easy to do right out of the box. Oh, that was me. I was the cause of that. I was holding it off center. Of course it's not going to stand up. Dippy. Dippy egg. Alright, so that's perfect. So hopefully you could get a good shot of everything. I don't know. Can you see that? So plastic toe, metal arch, die cast arch. I think that's die cast at the back of the calf there, the golden copper color. I think everything else is plastic until... Oh, that's plastic too, I think. I don't know. Not a lot of plastic. I mean, not a lot of metal. A lot of plastic. He can do the crunches. I'm such a fan of that. That double joint in the belly to really be able to crunch in. Again, kudos to the engineers. What do we got here in the manual? Some really nice color pictures. Yeah, the jewel is in the middle of that green ring. If you can see that. Oh, yeah. Okay. We are using all the parts. Okay, showing off the joints in the high mobility, head armor, upper looks like lats. Lats? Are those your lats? I don't remember. It's been so long since I even picked up a dumbbell. And I'm not talking about my son. Arm armor. Looking good with that. Ooh, yeah. I like the arms. A big fan of the arms. Alright, leg armor. Oops. Okay. I'm hoping that D9 sticks onto the foot and doesn't come off. I believe I had some trouble with that with the Astray, the rear Achilles guard. It kept popping off. Alright, waist armor, the core lander, the ship. It's not a core fighter, it's a core lander. Not outfitted with large fighting capacity. Alright, so it does have the crotch type Action Base 1 and Action Base 4 compatible attachment. And your Beam Saber pink effects. I really like that. Because it's not just an effect on a beam saber. It's actually got the shape of a blade. Like a katana. Okay. Alright. Popping on the hologram. And where to put the stickers. I don't know. That's it. I'm going to get started building right now. So, I'll see you when I'm done.